Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm excited to discuss about two of the most transformative technologies of our time, artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are driving significant changes in various industries and reshaping the way we live. So, what is artificial intelligence? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. These machines perform tasks typically done by humans, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation.
Now, let us talk about the types of artificial intelligence. So, AI can be categorized into mainly three types. The first one is narrow AI or weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform some specific tasks such as facial recognition or internet searches, and it cannot go beyond its programming. Its examples include Siri, Alexa, and recommendation systems. The second type of AI is general AI or strong AI. This is a theoretical type of AI which has the capability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide variety of tasks at human level. While it remains mainly theoretical, that's why it became an important or a specific topic for AI researchers. The third type of AI is super intelligent AI. It is a hypothetical concept which surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. That's why it remains as a topic of existential debate and speculation.
Now, after learning about AI, let us get to know some techniques that have been used. If we talk about natural language programming, it is an AI technique that can interpret, generate, and talk to people just like humans. This AI has been used by many companies that have to do some things in the forum. And if we talk about computer vision, it is a blend of futuristic AI that helps us in our daily lives. And if we talk about robotics, robotics is a hot cake in India. Currently, many schools are featuring this topic in India. In this robotics, the daily human needs are being fulfilled by the robots. Now, when we talk about real-world applications, in healthcare industries, now hospitals are providing doctors with AI robots that can diagnose, predict, and prescribe patients with good facilities. And if we talk about financial companies, nowadays companies are using humanoid AI that can talk to people for personalized banking and fraud detection. In defense sectors, now AI is being used for unmanned aerial vehicle for tactical deployment, risking no human lives. And if we talk about logistics basically means delivering of stuff and goods. Companies are nowadays using robots to deliver their stuffs for local radius. And if we talk about transportation, many futuristic companies are nowadays developing cars that can drive by themselves without the risk of risking a human life in loss of traffic.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are powerful technologies that are changing how we live and work. They enhance the efficiency in many areas, including healthcare, transportation, and finance. While these technologies offer numerous benefits, we must remain mindful of challenges such as privacy and fairness. By understanding and using of these technologies responsibly, we can create a better future for everyone.